Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to add, let's see here, mod vents, mod menu, and a mod call in custom Motd. So we're gonna just start with the most easiest thing first, Motd. How to make a custom one of it. All you do is you go up here, top right, well, go to Motd first, which if you don't know what Motd is the message of the day board right over here by your computer, wherever it is, this big board with the message of the day. You just want to click the gizmos button here, should be right here. Then you want to just click right here. You can customize both the text. You can make this like message from the dev or whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep it message there. And then you write and then you click onto this, or you can search in the hierarchy even. It's just called Motd text, no space. And then yeah, you got thing you can be like welcome to project whatever that, and then you want to click enter to obviously go down in the text, and then you can do a bunch of dotted lines like so, and another one like hope you have a good time playing the game, and add more lines. If you ever add lines, you either want to make them all the way to the end here so you can add as much text, or make it always the same length, because it looks really weird when you have one that's like this. Well, actually, is that better? I don't know, actually. That kind of looks nice. But yeah, I usually just keep it to the exact same length as the other ones. But yeah, that's just how you add custom how that's how you customize the Motd. So yeah. Alright, now on to let's go on to mod call, because that's like the second easiest. Okay, so what you want to do is you should be in the Discord. You want to go down to scripts, and you want to go to mod call right here. Download these two. Then you want to import new asset, right click in this empty space, import new asset, and you want to go down, or scroll, or go until you can find it. Right here. Gonna import them, wait for the scripts to compile. Just close that up. Alright, now it's gonna load real quick. Like so, it's gonna load. If you do have any problems importing it, like it gives you errors here or something, and they're not clearable when you click the clear button here, then go to the Discord and and then ping me in the chat. I am nothing special. Just ping me in the chat and I will answer you most likely. Or you can ask like Mr. Autism and maybe some other people in here about it, and yeah. And then, so once you import both the scripts, make sure you have both of them. You're gonna want to go over here or wherever. I just like to put it over here because it's really easy. Click on the wardrobe button, then go up here, click the gizmos, then hold down Control when you do this, and then click. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, click until you click hit the text. You just want the text selected for now. Oh wait, that's nice of it. Uh, it probably won't be like this unless you're using this exact update, but my text is with the wardrobe hat button. It usually isn't, but if it is, great. So yeah. Okay, now just copy and paste it with the text or create your own new text. I'm just gonna have it like that. Change the text to mod call like so, and then what you're gonna do, click on the button, remove the wardrobe, or if there's any other scripts other than these ones, and then what you're gonna do is drag on both of these scripts like so, And then what you're gonna do is press material. You're gonna search up pressed right there. And then unpressed material, you're gonna go down until you see your material on your button. And then you're gonna just drag that onto the unpress. And then over here in the hierarchy, for the button renderer, you're gonna drag the button onto there. And then the webhook link, what you're gonna do is this is what you're gonna do is like um I guess I'll use this now. It'll be integrations, webhooks, create webhook, name it mod call, like so, get a picture or don't, and click save, and then copy webhook URL, and then go back to your project, paste it in here, right here, webhook link, and then also go into your call mod button, script, just right click the name and then click edit script. Now wait for it to load. Okay, now you're gonna see Discord webhook URL right here. You're gonna double click that so it's in between the parentheses, and then you're gonna just paste your Discord webhook, and yeah, that should be it. And then you're gonna close it, save it, and then go back to your project. Wait for it to load. You know, like so. If you go into play mode, hold on. Let me just private this real quick so everyone doesn't get pinged. Also, if the channel is not private, it will ping everyone. So make sure the channel is private to only people you want to get pinged for the mod call. Okay, now once you're in game, you wanna head over to the mod call button, wherever it is. Okay, well, that doesn't really matter. You just want to go into scene, or if you want, you can try and click it with your hand, but you just want to test press, like so. And then in your channel, this will be happen. Okay, so it should do this. If it doesn't, then you did something wrong, or your script doesn't work, which obviously, like you guys see, the script does work, like you can see. Go barrier. Alright, and now, so there. And this script will be in the scripts channel right here in stuff for Gtag copy. Just want to scroll down right below open URL. It will be mod call right here, like so, and then boom, your mod call is done. There, you have a custom Motd and a mod call button. Okay, now the next step we are going to do is next one we're gonna do is, let's see here. Let's do mod vents next. Okay, so I think it should be in here. Let me look real quick. Okay, it's not in here. I will add that real quick. Mod vents. Okay, let me find it real quick. Okay, that's weird. Hold up. right here. Oh, I already have it. Oh, it's named something else. Okay. Let me go in here, downloads, here. Change this to mod events. Okay. Uh, New post, mod events. Let me just roll that into there real quick for you guys. Post. There you go. Mod event script will be in there. Now what you're gonna do is once you once you're in the Discord server and you get the mod event script. Sorry about that. I didn't. I thought I had it. And then you're gonna import it. Oh, okay. So what you're gonna do is, since it's just a text right now, what you're gonna do is right click in your empty space, create. You're gonna C hashtag script, name it mod events, like so. You're gonna open it, and then you're gonna go into downloads, open this as well. Okay, now this is not the script, but you want to go over here, go in here, copy that whole script, and then go back over here, paste that script, and then exit out. Exit out of that, and then like so. Like so, boom. Now we have the script. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to city or wherever you want your mod events to be. I'm just gonna make it right over here sometime. Let's make it over here. We're gonna go 3D object, create a cube. Bring the cube over. Or whatever you're using. And then I'm just gonna do that. Put it over there. Make it a random color. Copy and paste it, whatever you have to do. Like so, now you have your thing. You're gonna name this one mod then door. Name this one just wall or something. Okay, now once you have your mod vent, whatever masterpiece you created, now you're gonna click here, create empty, name it mod vent. Now go back to your assets. You want to put your script on. Oh, okay. So here's the thing. You want to copy the detective own name, and then you're gonna rename it to detective own like that, because it won't work if it's not like that. Like so. Now it will work. Now you can drag that on. Now it's gonna be like this. Make sure you change the name to detect if own with a capital D, F, and an O, all one word. Okay, now you have it. The mod vent, you're gonna make that the mod vent door, and then the stick is any cosmetic you want it to be. Obviously, if it's a mod vent, if you don't have custom cosmetics in your game, which also I'm sorry about that. The last video I posted about how to add custom holdables, it's a little broken, so I will probably redo that video in a bit. So yeah, so now you're just gonna search up stick. It's either gonna be the top one or the very bottom one. It'll be turned off like so. And you're just gonna do that. Put it there. Go back to your Modrun script, go to your mod stick or whatever cosmetic, and drag it onto the stick like so. And now, if you go into play mode, sorry if you hear my fan. I have my fan going in the background. Okay, now what you're gonna do is make your way over to the mod vents, or wherever it is, go in the scene or whatever. That's really annoying. Hold up, this is really annoying. Okay, go up to your mod vents over here, wherever it is. Okay, and then we're gonna do. Oh, I'm in the floor. Okay. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna search up stick, the first one obviously, and then look. As soon as you turn on the cosmetic or put it on from your wardrobe, the door opens. Like so. That's how you add mod vents. Whatever cosmetic you have, if you turn it on or put it on in game, it will open up the door, and then once you unequip it, it will obviously close the door. No one can get in here unless they have the cosmetic or you added no clip to your game. So what I recommend is don't add no clip to your game or anything that allows them to. Okay, another thing also, another thing you should do to make it so people can't be in forest well, city is gone, like it's not enabled, and this is enabled with all your stuff in here. If there's like custom cosmetics in there and stuff, what you're gonna do is take the mod vents, open up level, drop, and then you're gonna put it in to the city category, like so. And then so once city disables, the mod vents will disable with you, and whatever is inside, you should also put into the city, or if it's all into one thing, then put it into city. So it disables with city, so people can't get it when the map is disabled. And that's how you add mod vents to your Gtag copy and custom Motd and mod call. Now for the last and final thing, mod menu. Okay, so there's a few things you can do with a mod for mod menu. You can A, create your own, or B, get someone else's, which is obviously doesn't have the scripts, just a template most likely. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create my own because I like creating my own mod menus. I don't like using other people's mod menus because then I have to give them credits and stuff, and like I don't want to. Okay, hold up, guys. I got sent to the shadow realm, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm back. Okay, let's go. You can do this anywhere, obviously, if you want. Okay, so what you're gonna do is first off, you should probably get your mods that you want. So you can go to the Discord. You're gonna scroll down to scripts. Grab whatever mods you want. I think. Oh wait, go to packages. I think. Wait, don't use that. That's really bad. Unless you know how to use it, which I don't really know how to use it. Right here, mods for mod menu. You're just gonna download that, and then you can also download these menus and then use the mods for it here. What you're gonna do is import package. Go to your downloads. Alright, mods for copies. Here's all the mods. You're just gonna click all, import, and then it might give you some errors. That's fine. We can fix those real quick, like WSD. We already have a WSD, so we're gonna delete that. Like so. Now this one, you're just gonna press it, and then hold up. This one, what is this? We can just delete that. Just delete those. Okay, now we have a bunch of mods, like so. Hold on. You probably will get these errors as well because it's the same Unity package, or if you import certain mods one by one, then you probably won't have these. Okay, now once we have no errors or anything, now we can get started on actually making the mod menu. Okay, so what we're gonna do is 3D object, cube. Why is it so far away? Boy. Alright, we'll just do it out here, I guess. Because, yeah. Okay, well, so what you're gonna do is make it pretty flat, like as flat as you can. Then mod menus are usually more like more tall than they are wide. So you're just gonna like shrink it down a bit, and then make it decently small, not too small, but small enough. Just make it whatever size you want, and then choose a color. I'm just gonna make mine purple. Alright, actually, I'm gonna make the outside black, like so. And then boom, you're gonna copy this, shrink that down to the size of a button, move it up, bring it out a bit. I'm gonna just make this a bit bigger. So, and the button a bit bigger as well. Hold on. Just gonna position the button so it's out of the menu, but it's not so out. It's not attached to the menu. And then make it whatever color you want. Don't make it the color of the menu. I don't like that. I'm gonna create a new material. You can also create your own materials. Doesn't matter. You can do what you want. It's your mod menu. So yeah, I'm gonna make it a dark purple because purple's one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite. Then you're just gonna make a few buttons on your menu, like so. Like so, you got that. And then we're just gonna attach, you're just gonna select all those, right click them, create empty parent, page 1, like so. And then this is gonna be called menu. Put the page 1 into the menu. And then you're gonna add a 3D object legacy text mesh. Name it whatever menu. Make it whatever color you want. I'm just gonna make it white. Make the text smaller so it fits on your menu. Or you could have it like above your menu, like this, like that. I'm just gonna put it on the menu instead. Like so. There it is. I also like to do is make a little space for to let you know what page you're on if you have multiple pages. If you don't, I suggest you not add this. But if you do have multiple pages, then I would add this. Okay, like so. Now we did that. Now you're gonna do is copy whichever text you want on your menu, put it out a bit, and then name it like long arms, like so. Make it as big as you want. I'm gonna make mine a bit bigger. And put it wherever you want, and then copy and paste that down. Name it something else, like Moses Speed or something. Go down again. Like so. Oh. Alright, bring that down again. Copy and paste that, bring that down again. Okay, now once you have that, you just wanna take those two texts, add them to the menu. Add this text to that one, that one, that one. Just try to make it so each button has a text, like so. What I'm actually gonna do is to make this menu look better. Just gonna do this. Make another new material. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this to make it look better. This is strictly just to make it look better. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is just to make it look better. Okay, like so. Let me have that. Okay, now we get to the part where you select all these buttons, not the outline, the actual buttons for the mods. You're gonna turn on is trigger. You're gonna go to layer, turn that to Gorilla Interactable. Notice object only, because we don't want the text. Make sure to change it to know this object only if when you select all these, so you don't accidentally make the text interactable. Okay, now once you've done that, you're gonna go add component. You're gonna search up banana OS menu button 1. Okay, add unpressed material, press material, like so, just those two. And then buttons toggle go down. Original toggle. Okay, now button render. I'm just gonna click on each one, add it to that. Like so. Okay, now that we did that, now we need to get on to adding the actual mods. We have 5 buttons, so you're gonna create 5 mods, empties, whatever. Okay, and now you're just gonna search up long arms or whatever. I don't like those ones. I like these ones. The really long arms are really nice. And then the target object is Gorilla Player. You can also edit the script if you want to make it so your arms aren't as long or as short. I'm just gonna go for 1.1 because I am a taller person, so I don't need that much to get really long arms. 1.2 is if you're like 5'5" or something, or shorter than that, you probably want 1.2. So yeah. Okay, so now we got that one mod done. Now we're gonna search up the next mod, which is Motd speed. And then you can also change this, which you probably should change it to not zooming around the map, unless you want it like that. Oh, they already changed. Okay, I usually put max jump speed to 8, and then keep that as 1.2. 1.2 is a nice, not not subtle, but it's like a decently faster speed. So yeah. Okay, I guess we'll switch out this mod for something else. What mod should we switch it out for? Let's go see. All right, we will do. Let's do. Hmm. We're gonna do ESP. Never mind, not that one. Let's do tracers. Where's tracers? Right here. Tracers. Yeah, bro. Tracers. Done. Okay, now this one we gotta make. Okay, we gotta change the text. Tracers. Like so. Okay, next mod we're gonna make it gravity. Okay, I guess we don't have that. Um, we'll do slingshot. Where's slingshot? I know we have that. Where's slingshot? Okay. Slingshot, gorilla player is opposite gorilla player. And then controller, make it left hand controller. Or whatever hand you want, right hand controller. Left hand controller. Like so. And then boom, you're done. You can also change the speed of it. Okay, so we're gonna change that to slingshot. Right down the middle. Now the last mod, we're gonna make it fly. Fly with A we should do. Gorilla Player, left hand controller, and speed. I made that like 20. Boom. So Gorilla Player, left hand or right hand, 20 speed, left hand controller. Depends on which hand. Left hand will be left hand controller, right hand will be right hand controller. Like so. Okay, and then once we got that, we're gonna just click on the first one, scroll down until you see game object. That'll be the first one. The next one, next mod, next button, next mod, next button, next mod again, and then the last button would obviously be the last mod, like so. And then boom. Also, always have these mods turned off. Don't turn this one off. Turn just the actual mods off. So you don't have the mods as soon as you join. You have to use the menu. And then so yeah, so now we got the menu like so. Now we're gonna take the menu. Just let me bring my rig down. Alright. Now menu. Bring it down to whichever hand you want it to be at. And you're gonna rotate it. Make it smaller or bigger, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna make it a little smaller. So it's better. And position it wherever you want on the hand. Like so. Like so. And then what you're gonna do is mod call button over here. We're gonna copy and paste that. Or copy the button and paste it. Then you're gonna go here, click here, mod menu, keep. Okay, remove those scripts. So okay, so now it has all that. You're gonna just put on Gorilla Banana OS menu button 1, toggle original, and then toggle original is that. Toggle pressed, unpressed is your material. Press is obviously pressed. And then button render in the hierarchy is the button. Then game objects, we need to make it the menu. Alright, boom, we have that done. And then make sure to turn this menu off. Oh, wait, we're not done everything. Now you're gonna, so this is the right hand. What we're gonna do is sort of, alright, never mind. Click on the gorilla. It'll be probably like this. You're gonna drop down rig, drop down body, drop down shoulder, drop all the way down until you reach hand.r. Then you're just gonna put it straight into hand.r. And then boom, we are done. Now when you go into your game, Alright, hold up. Alright, so now you click the mod menu button, boom, menu shows up. And then if you press it again, it untoggles it. And then I am going to be giving out this mod menu to y'all just because, well, I can. Ain't nobody stopping me. Oh, also, here's another thing. Make sure it's actually it'll be like this once I give you the mod menu. But with all the outlines, remove the box collider. Actually, remove the collider from everything besides the buttons, like so. And then I will be giving out this menu with the mods. I might add another page just for y'all. But yeah, that's the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if it was a bit long, and then I will be redoing the how to make a how to add custom holdables to your Gtag copy without replacing. I will be redoing that because I messed it up horribly last time with a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I will be redoing that. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. Sorry that it's a uh multiple tutorials in one video. Just I decided to get it over with and do 4 tutorials into one since they're all pretty easy. And yeah, we'll be giving that menu out to y'all. It will be in the Discord with the mods. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.